Hi, this is Kevin Sewer, and I'm back for how to use StockTA.com part 4. In this video, I will show you how to create a watch list, how to use forex, and how to look at the sectors page. So the most important thing if you want to create watch lists is you need to be logged in. So I'm logged in up here. You'll need to add a new portfolio. So this one I will call cyber security stocks. I will add that portfolio. Click here to continue. So these are all the different watch lists I have. I spent a lot of time on here, so I have a lot of watch lists. So I go to cybersecurity stock. I hit go. I hit add a symbol. So you can do one symbol at a time. So hack is an ETF. Just type it in, add to watch list. Click here to continue. So it is in. You'll see the entry point, the date I added it, what it's doing. You can then click on the stock and it'll bring up the analysis, tells you all the information, where resistance, where support is. You can look at this, the stock chart, how it's moving, MACD, RSI, and then all our different indicators and the studies down below. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you guys how to add multiple symbols at one time. So CIBR, comma, CRWD, comma, PANW, comma. You make sure you're in the right portfolio. You hit add to watch list. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So they're all in. So now you go here to continue and you can see the scores for all of them all across. If you need to edit or move them, you can pick a different one if you want to move it to a different watch list. If you want to delete, you just hit delete here. That'll remove the stock. If you want to delete the portfolio, that will delete the entire watch list. I have a bunch of different watch lists, obviously. Let's do, so I have some ETFs. These are just various ETFs that I follow and their trend scores and what their price is. Thematic, home building, REITs. So REITs have been doing pretty well. So you can see some are very bullish, some are neutral. And if you have more than 10, it'll go on to the next page and you can keep scrolling. And this one has a lot. So I think I have probably 40 or 50 in here, which I could probably break up a little smaller. But again, you can title them whatever you want. You can sort them however you want. So I think the customability with how the site is set up is very attractive to the average investor as they try to build out what they want their portfolio to look like. So that's a watch list. I think it's very easy. Remember, you need to be signed in. You need to add a new portfolio, then add a ticker. I'll show you forex. So forex loads the same way. You can compare. It'll show you support and resistance levels. I am not a forex trader, so I'm not going to wade too deep into this because I will not be able to explain it very well. And then the last thing is our sectors page, which has a similar setup to our main screen. And again, they're just cards. You can click on any of them. Green is bullish, orange is neutral, red is bearish, and these just cover different sectors of the market. So you have utilities, you have tech, materials, real estate, healthcare, financials. Can click on any one of them. Oil has been getting killed lately. So you look at the price action, negative's not very good. That's probably, with how the chart's set up, I would not be surprised if this moved to bearish shortly. And there's not much support here. And if you look at 85.45, I have not checked the market today to see how this is traded, but if this traded down, there's a good chance it broke through the support. And it has no other support in the near term. That's it. We've showed you everything that this website has to offer. You can get rid of the sidebar if you want to do that. You can go back to the main screen and look at all the different stocks. We will switch these out as stocks kind of, become popular or unpopular based on how things are going with the market. But thank you again for taking the time to learn more about our site. And I will be doing hopefully weekly videos on different stocks or sectors that I find interesting. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us down here. Thank you so much for your time. And I hope you enjoy our site. And thank you again for giving us a chance. Take care.